Bootloader is also known as boot manager and bootstrap loader. Bootloader is a small program responsible for booting a computer. In case of Arduino microcontroller, Bootloader is a small piece of software which allows uploading of sketches into the Arduino board. It is pre-programmed on the microcontrollers on Arduino boards. If it has been corrupted, it can be restored by a process called burning, flashing, or programming a new bootloader onto the board. According to the manufacturer's website, easiest way to burn the bootloader to classic boards, which include Uno, Mega and Nano, is using a second Arduino board as a programmer. 6 male-to-male jumper wires are used to connect the digital and power pins of one board to the corresponding pins of the second board. The programmer board is connected to the computer and burning is done using the Arduino Integrated Development Environment IDE, which should be already installed on the computer.